Hi, how are you? Wow. We're cooking. See, mushrooms, big mushrooms. Cheesy. You see, we're stuffing them with cheese. These mushrooms. And we have green beans and steak. Wow. So nice. And we're done. We're done cooking, actually. We're done cooking. Very nice. Very nice stuff. I think it should be delicious. See, beef skirt steak. Beef skirt. Green beans, very healthy green beans. And huge Trader Joe's mushrooms. So thick. Very nice stuff. And we're grilling it on George Foreman. So first, kind of easy stuff. See, we grab steak. See, steak we put on plate, ready to eat. It's done. Next, we're grabbing mushrooms. See this side, you can see the outside and the inside. And this one, wow, this is a big one. Very thick mushroom. Very thick. Wow, see, very thick mushroom. Wow. And then next, see, wow, nice mushrooms. Mushrooms and steak. And next we're gonna get green beans. In here, cheesy green beans. Wow, we love, green beans are my favorite veggie. What about you? Baby, what about you?
Oh yeah, I like them too.
It's not your favorite veggie?
They're my favorite.
Wow. So, and tomatoes, you said, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
But we have no tomatoes here. Next time, we pick tomatoes in the yard. See, very nice. Very nice. Little bit cheese here. It's okay. Wow. Very nice green beans. So this is what we've been cooking today. This is amazing dinner. Cost less than $15 to cook this dinner. See, steak, mushrooms, and green beans. At restaurant, these are huge mushrooms. I've actually never seen mushrooms like this before. And this guy never seen mushrooms like this before. See? Juice man, he never seen mushrooms. He ready to eat also. He hungry boy. Cutie. Yeah, and then green beans we have. See this stuff? Thank you for watching. And may God bless you and your family. We really appreciate, our viewers. Thank you, and we're hungry, ready to eat this dinner. Thank you so much, and bye-bye. Bye-bye, see you next time. Please check out our other videos. Thank you very much.